Hello there! We at Peace Vigil create tools that can help all of us be powerful defenders of peace. After all, peace needs all of us. Our workshops are free and so is our channel. Do remember to subscribe and share this video with others. It gives you a glimpse of our zine making workshop where our amazing volunteer Hari Chakyar tells us how to make our very own zines. A zine is a do it yourself magazine, which means that you don't need a big media house to express yourself through the form of a magazine. Isn't that super exciting? Watch this video to get an idea of what our zine making workshop can offer you. If you're interested in joining it next time, drop us an email on info@peacevigil.net. Peace Vigil is a peace education organization and we teach peace through interesting ways like storytelling, art, drama, and song. Remember to subscribe to this channel and enjoy our programs. Here is Hari Chakyar telling us how to make zines.
Okay, hello and welcome to Chalo Zine Banaye. So there are a lot of questions about what a zine is, and a lot of people also wonder how to pronounce zine. What is a zine? A zine is a small circulation, self-published work of original or appropriated texts and images, usually reproduced via a copy machine, like Samir explained. Now that sounds like a very complicated definition for something very simple. So let me show you samples first, and maybe then we will understand better what a zine is. So here is a sample, and I'm also going to hold it up while you look at the images. This one is called Happy Pills. It's a booklet, as you can see, of yellow colored paper, and it has images. It has some text. There are some photographs, and there are some texts that are treated differently. Okay, about this is someone's thoughts about uh, happiness in general. Some of it is posters, some of it is text and images. There is this one that says, "You look fine," and wo aine ke jagah pe is right above a wash basin, and it says, "You look fine." This one is a poster that says, "Art should disturb the comfortable and comfort the disturbed." So it's a mix of that. This one is called Going Gray. It's made by a group of women. It's about going gray in the hair and the thoughts that are associated with aging. Some of these are poems, like you see in the one on the right, and there are pictures. There are dates, numbers which are ages. This one is about anxiety and panic attacks. Very beautifully designed. These are obviously not photocopy jobs. This is someone who's designed them digitally and then printed multiple copies of. As you can see, these are about self-expression. It's coming from a very personal space of a panic attack and how they feel about how it travels through their body. This one is called Girls. The second page, once you open the zine, I have it right here, this one. It says, "This zine was made to showcase the most bizarre yet basic things the girls in my life say, and all my love to them and you." It's a letter to girls. This one is called Dharavi. It is essentially a photo book, and it has pictures from Dharavi. Someone calls Dharavi home. This is produced by a collective called the Bombay Underground. They work with children in Dharavi. So they gave cameras to the kids that they work with. They have something called a Dharavi art room. So kids got cameras and kids documented their lives and brought pictures back. This is a zine made out of those. Why I'm showing you all of these examples is to establish one basic rule of zine making, and that is there are no rules. You can make a zine about anything you want. Like we saw, there are some zines about aging, there are some zines about happiness and joy, there are some about girls, some come from a very personal space. You can make a zine however you want. You can write, you can draw, you can use photos, you can illustrate if you do draw. You can make a zine with anything you want. You can use pencils, pens, markers. Uh, you can tear pictures from newspapers, magazines. You can do anything you want with your zine. This format of storytelling is all about having fun. So there are no rules. We will have fun while we go about this. So don't let this worry you or anything. He saw a comic that I had made and he was like, hey, Hari, why don't you turn this into a zine? And I had no idea what a zine is. So he sent me a video and I'm going to play this for you now.
Anyway, happy zine making.
So this is the first video that I saw and it blew my mind to make a tiny booklet out of one sheet of paper. And I started with one. You see the Shatak Fatak one in the second row. This is the first one that I made. We are going to make one mini zine today, and I'm going to show you how to get into that. Now, to get into the mood of drawing, it's time to do some exercise. So what we are going to do is get a sheet of paper like this and grab a pen or a marker, a crayon or anything like that. And we are going to make, I'm going to take an orange crayon. I'm going to take an orange crayon and I have a sheet of paper and I'm going to start. Oh, yay, you're done already.
And this is Gia's. She's done a small one since she's small.
That's cute. If you're done with this one, you can do the next one. I'm going to take another color for this.
You were watching glimpses of Peace Vigil's zine making workshop, which was led by our volunteer Hari Chakyar, who is a talented zine maker and has been making zines for a long time. Hari was telling us how to make our very own zines. A zine is a do-it-yourself magazine. Look at what some of the participants created. Isn't that exciting? If you'd like to be part of our next workshop, or if you'd like to know more about the kind of workshops we offer, please do drop us an email on info@peacevigil.net. Peace Vigil is a peace education organization and we teach peace through interesting ways like storytelling, art, drama, and song. Remember to subscribe to this channel and remember, peace needs all of us.